Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about Notion, but more importantly, I'll be talking about a new feature that they introduced, which is called integrations. So this video will have two main points. One, what are integrations? And two, how you can use integrations to help your workflow in Notion. So let's get into the video. So let us first talk about what integrations are. Integrations basically allow applications to talk to each other. This, in more technical terms, means that an app which is updated at one point can instantaneously update another app. Like, for example, if you've ever received a Gmail calendar invite and you accept it, on Google Calendar, that automatically comes up. That's an example of an API. Now I just use a new term called API. So I'll define API right now. The full form of API is an application programming interface. So the definition of an API is a set of functions and procedures that allow the creation of an application. This application can access the features and data set of an operating system, an application, or even a service. So basically the API allows applications to talk to each other, and this is what happens under these integrations. So let's go back to the example of Gmail and Google Calendar. The Google Calendar invite, that is the dataset. So when this dataset is accepted, this dataset is run through the entire Google Calendar which you have. If no two matching values are found, that invite is automatically updated and you see it on your Google Calendar. So this is basically a quick introduction to what integrations were. So now let's move on to the second point. How you can use integrations with Notion to improve your own workflow. So let's get to the second point. So to get to this particular page that I am on currently, what you have to do is you have to go to the Notion homepage which you have when you open Notion. After that, what you have to do is you have to go to the settings and members, which is in the side panel. And then below security and identity, there'll be an integrations one. Over there, what you do is there's a develop integrations. You click that and then you come to this particular page. And you can create your own integrations over here, like I have these three. And this is one example which I've created. So basically this integration token is what will be used. And this is effectively everything that you have when you create an integration. After this, what you do is you go to this page called Zapier. Zapier is one of the tools that you can use during this time, and you can create all of these things. So basically what this does is you can effectively have this sort of calendar like I have, like a Google Calendar, which is a trigger, and you can create a different trigger for whatever you want. For me, it is a new or updated event in Google Calendar. When you click on this, you can see all of these things that are set up. A trigger, which will basically mean if a new event is created in, like, let's say classes, whatever calendar you use, you can automatically have that update. And when the bot recognizes this, you first have to test the trigger obviously to see whether it works, and if it works, it's great. You can move to the second part, which is the actions. In the actions portion, what you do is you set up what it will do once you get this trigger. For me, it sets up everything in a database, such as my database is called calendar. So over here you have the name, which is basically a summary of the task, which is the heading. Then you have the date and the tags, etc. Basically all of these database names, tags, date, content, etc. These are all related to one thing, which is all of your columns in the Notion database. So this is effectively how you can use integrations. So another application uses automate.io. I personally don't use that app, I rather use this one. So that is effectively all that is there in integration. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it to be informational. In case you have any questions, feel free to put it in the comment section down below. And in case you want a more in-depth video, you can put that in the comment section down below as well. So once again, thank you for watching. So up here, you will see a subscribe icon. Over there, you can subscribe to my channel so you can be notified of all of my new uploads. Over here, you'll see my latest Notion upload. And over here, you'll see a YouTube video that YouTube recommends for you. So once again, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.